Well, I believe I have a little baggie here with 4 screws in it, just to put my cowling on. Let's see. Yeah, they look just right. So, it's really easy. The cowling slides on as far as it can go, and then that's it. I can see here that my motor shaft is centered coming out the front, so we're quite happy there. It's squared. I'll get my little screws here. Oh, I don't know if I should, but we'll use power tools. No, I won't. No, I won't. Oh, because I want a screwdriver that'll make everything stick to it. Oh, hang on. I could probably do that to my power tool. Do that fake way, right? There. Now the screw will stay in place while I hold the canopy with my hand. Put it in a pilot hole. Oh, why did it go so quickly? I didn't want to do that. Okay, double check my front. Make sure everything's aligned nice. And go back on. Oh, really? Well, I guess I don't have the right tip on for that type of screw. Holy moly. Well, let's see if this is better. There it went in. Huh. Uh-oh. I keep my props centered here. These here, because they're going in a balsa. They go on the bottom. Now, I have 2 more on the other side. That will be that. Huh? It will be done. The cowling will be mounted. I'm using a magnet on my drill to magnetize the tip. Let me just see here. Right there's where it's gotta go. Oh, hang on, let me double check. Right there. That's not fun, is it? So, also wood, very soft. To get them started, doesn't take much to get them to go in. Okay, that was painful. Well, there we go. You know what? It's sort of a little funny looking, you guys. Notice that my wheels hit. Okay, let's put the prop back on. You know, I do have an APC 10.6 and a GWS 10.8 HD prop. So if we don't pull enough watts, we don't make enough power with this smaller 9-inch prop, I do have a whole bunch of other props we can go to, the bigger ones. we put his cowling on now. Now I don't see any screws for that. See, maybe it was just my kit. They aren't overly generous with hardware, you guys. Every hobby room has a little tray like this. It's a magnet tray. It holds a bunch of little screws and stuff for me. So I'm going to take 4 of the servo mounting type screws. Use them to mount my canopy on with. Again, I'll just start them with my fingers and screw them in with the screwdriver. See, there's one. Oh, there's this one. Yeah, sharper point. There we go. Well, I'll put my parts back over here. The next time I need something. Ooh, double-sided sticky tape. We like all this stuff. Well, we'll mount the cowling now. Okay. Got the cowling. I don't know why I got the stand here. Maybe I don't need the stand right now. Looks pretty good sitting here on his own wheels. But the cowl. How perfect we make it. Huh? How about there, I think. Oh. And I do like, you know, when they come these parts pre-trimmed. That's what I just say. It's very nice. Ooh. Ooh. That's pretty easy side of mounting to go through. Let's hope I got a little more bite here. Yep, that got a good one. That's good. Now I turn around. Some screws on the other side here. They even have the holes in the canopy where you put these screws in, you guys. That's nice. To have a canopy pre-trimmed is one thing. To have the holes cut, that's very nice. There we go. And one more in the back here. I mean, hey, if you want to glue this on, you can, I guess. But I like the fact that I can take it off and fix it. Or say, I don't know, if it doesn't fly good, put a new pilot in it. There we go. Okay, so we've got the cowling on, and we've got the cockpit on, and the driver and the cockpit canopy. Man, we're getting close to going to town here. Oh, but I got some leftover parts. Something we forgot to do a while back that will get us in trouble if we don't do. And that is this rest of this mounting system for our tail wheel. Remember I talked about it. I didn't want to do this until it was glued. But now the glue is set. You want to get that little metal cap on there. I don't know if you can see. Maybe I should zoom in a bit, eh? Huh? Maybe past that, aren't you? Okay, fine. I'll move the model more. Move it more. Okay, so see, here's the little cap right here. We go put it on the tail wheel. Okay? We get a good close-up of that. Oh yeah, there we go. There you go. There's that little cap there, yep. Now I gotta drill a hole through that, put a screw through it, with a little nut and bolt on it.